Assalamualaikum. Class 10. Today we are going to start exercise 2.1, question 5. Question is show that the equation x square plus mx plus c whole square equal to a square has equal roots. If c square is equal to a square bracket 1 plus m equal roots mean that b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. So first of all we have to open the square by using formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. We have got x square x square plus c square plus 2mxc minus a square equal to 0. And by taking common x square, we have got 1 plus m square plus 2mx plus c square minus a square. So a is 1 plus m square, b is 2mc, and c is c square minus a square. But by putting the values in the formula b square and 4ac equal to 0, we have got 2mc square minus 4 bracket 1 plus m square bracket close, next bracket start is ac square minus a square, and by multiplying these two brackets we have got 4 c square minus a square plus m square c square minus m square a square. After multiplying this bracket with 4 we have got the next equation, and we have the same values m 4m square c square both will be cancelled because the signs are opposite, and the remaining values are 4a square and 4c square minus plus 4m square a square. By taking common 4, we have got a square minus c square plus m square a square equal to 0. We have to change the side of c square and retain positive, and after taking a square common, we have got 1 plus m square equal to c square. It was the condition which we have to prove in the question. Now question 6. Find the condition that roots of the equation mx plus c square minus 4x equals 0 are equal. Again, the same formula will be used, and we have to open the square first of all. And by open the formula, we have got m square x square plus c square plus 2mxc minus ax square. And then we have to collect the values. We have to range the values with respect to x. First of all, x square, then x, then without x, and then we have to take x common. Remaining values are m square x square plus 2mc minus 4a. We have a is m square, b is 2mc minus 4a, and c is c square. By putting these values in the formula, we have got 2mc minus 4a whole square minus 4m square c square. By using the formula a square plus b square minus 2ab, we have got two values same and the sign is opposite, we cancel them. And the next equation we have taken 16a common, and the remaining is a minus mc. 16a will become 0 when we shift on the right side, and we have got a is equal to mc. Now question 7. Question 7. If the roots of the equation c square minus ab bracket close x square minus 2 bracket start a square minus bc bracket close x plus b square minus 460 are equal. So again the formula is same. B square and 4ac is used. So a is c square minus ab, b is minus 2 bracket a square minus bc, and c is b square minus AC. By putting the value in the equation or in the formula, we have got minus 2 bracket a square minus bc whole square, and 4 is from the formula, then a, then c. By using the formula, we have got square of 2 is 4, and then remaining is a square minus bc whole square minus 4, and multiplying the both the bracket, we have got c square b square minus ac square, ac cube minus ab cube plus a square bc. And then we have uh, taken, then we have arranged it and multiply with 4. We have got this one. 4a is 4 plus b square c square minus 2a square bc minus 4c square b square plus 4ac cube plus 4ab cube minus 4a square bc. By multiplying this first bracket also with 4, we have got two values equal, and the signs are opposite, we can cancel them, and the remaining values we have to write in the next step, and we have to add the similar values. We have got 4 minus 12a square bc plus 4 ac cube plus 4ab cube. 4a is common, we have taken it common, and we have to take it equal to 0 because the formula is b square and 4 is equal to 0. 4a is equal to 0, then a is 0. Then other factor it is also equal to 0, and we have to shift the side of 3abc, it will be positive, and these are the conditions which we have to prove. Now question number 8. Question number 8. Show that the roots of the following equation are rational. Again, we have to use the quadratic equation and we have to use the discriminant formula. A is A bracket B minus C, B is B bracket C minus A, C is C minus A minus B. And formula is use B square and 4AC. We have put the values and we have to multiply both the brackets. We have got B square, C square plus A square minus 2AC. And by multiplying the other two brackets, we have got AC AB minus B square minus AC plus BC, and then we have to multiply with AC. We have got minus 4 bracket A square BC minus AB square C minus A square C square plus ABC square. By multiplying the 4, we have got these values: minus 4A square BC plus 4AB square C plus 4A square C square minus 4ABC square. And we have to arrange the values. We have to write the square values first. Square are b square c square a square b square plus 4a square c square, and the remaining values are 2ab square c plus minus 4a square bc minus 4ab square. By using formula a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca, it will be it will be open formula and we have to close it. We will get bc plus ab minus 2ac whole square. It is a whole square, so it will be greater than 0. Then and a perfect square also, so the roots are rational. So it is proved that roots are rational. And formula is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2c is equal to a plus b plus c whole square, which we have used in this question. Next part, in which we have to do the same thing. Question is a plus 2b x square plus 2a plus b plus c bracket x plus a plus 2c equal to 0. Again, the values we have to write. A is a plus 2b, b is 2 bracket a plus b plus c, c is 2, c is a plus 2c, and the next is formula used is discrete b square and 4ac. We have put the values and we have to use the square formula. We have got 4 and a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. It is the formula which we have used. And next two brackets multiply, we have got 4 minus 4 a square plus 2ac plus 2ab plus 2 plus 4bc, and we have to multiply with 4. We have got minus 4 a square minus 8ac minus 8ab minus 16bc, and by multiplying the first bracket also with 4, we have got the some values same. We have cancelled them, and the remaining values are 4b square plus 4c square minus 8bc. It is if it is open formula, we have to close it. We have got 2b whole square plus 2c whole square minus 2 bracket 2b plus 2b multiplied 2c. Close this formula. We have got so whole square. It is also square. It is greater than 0, so it is a perfect square, and the roots are rational. Now, question number 9. For all the values of k, prove that the roots of the equation is given to us: x square minus 2 bracket k plus 1 over k x plus 4 equal to 0, and the condition is k is not equal to 0, and we have to prove the roots are real. A is 1, b is minus 2k plus 1 over k, c is 4. Discriminant formula used is b square and 4ac. We have used the square formula: k square plus 1 over k square plus 2k multiplied by 1 over k, cancel, and we have to multiply this with 4. We have got 4k square plus 4 over k square plus 8 minus 16, and further we have got 4k square plus 4 over k square minus 8. It is open formula, we have to close it. We have got 2k minus 2 over k whole square. It is whole square, so the roots are uh, real, equal, and real also. So now question number 10. Show that the roots of the equation are real. Again, the formula is same. We have to do the discriminant a, b, c values we have to put, and open the square. We have got c square plus a square minus 2ac minus 4ab minus b square minus ac plus bc. Open the bracket and multiply 4. We have got these values: c square plus a square minus plus 4b square plus 2ac minus 4ab minus 4ac. We have to arrange it, and formula will become c square plus a square plus minus 2b whole square plus 2ca plus 2a multiplied minus 2b plus 2 minus 2b multiplied by c. So we have used the formula a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2a plus 2bc plus 2ca, and close it. We have got square, so it's greater than 0, and so the roots are real. Now